Hello and welcome back to LD Debate Tutorials with Patriot Contraptions. Today's topic, we are looking at how you can improve your speaker points. Now, right off the bat, before we get into this video, I want to give a quick shout out to a playlist I've created just for you. This playlist is entitled How to LD Debate, and you can find it on the front page of my YouTube channel, Patriot Contraptions. So go there, make sure you caught up on all the most recent LD videos, and if you miss one, that's the easiest way to find it. So let's get into today's topic. How do we speak better? Well, right off the bat, the number one thing that debaters forget that they can do to improve their speaking is to simply smile. When you smile, it lightens the room up a lot. Imagine if I were to say, when you smile, it lightens up the room a lot. It's not the same without the smile. Now, how do we discover that we're smiling or not smiling? Because surprisingly, a lot of people think they smile and are cheerful when they debate. I did myself. Well, this brings to my second point. Use a video camera. Film yourself, record yourself, watch your actions, and see if you are actually doing what you think you are doing. When you film yourself, you can also critique the wording of your case, your eye contact, as well as your motion gestures. What do I mean by motion gestures? And this is sort of my third point for today, your uncontrolled motions. For example, if I were going like this the entire time in a debate round, it would be very annoying to you. However, what if I didn't know I was doing it? One of the most common gestures I see repeated in the debate round is something like this. It's the double hand repeat up and down motion. And it's just one of those fidgety things where you start to do it, or maybe you go like this back and forward while you're talking, and you don't notice it because you can't see yourself. So get those gestures, those subconscious gestures under control by filming yourself, watching it over again, so on. Moving on to point number 4. Point number 4 just goes right into how you actually practice for the round. And practice makes perfect. The statement of the age. It's very true. If you practice reading your case and articulating it to a fake audience, to your camera, you will do a lot better in a round than somebody who comes hot off the presses, goes, oh, what does this say? Oh, this is misspelled. Oops. Give me a second, Judge. I didn't read this beforehand. That sounds horrible. So, point number 5, and this goes a lot to the newer debaters in LD. Parents' help is nice. I get it. Parents, they have a lot of knowledge, they want to help you write your case, but make sure that if they're helping you write your case, or your coach is helping you write your case, the wording is still your wording. What do I mean by that? Well, if I'm going through a case and I'm talking about rich people being the founding of society, my debate coach might think of that in different terms. He might think of it as enlightened aristocrats being the founding members of society. So when I hit that phrase, enlightened aristocrats, it's going to be very, very unfamiliar to me. And what does unfamiliarity do? It confuses your brain, and your brain goes, pause, what is this strange word? And that causes you to pause in your speaking, and your delivery goes down. So, one final bonus thing that will help you out a lot if you are up to trying this out is the pencil trick. This was taught to me by several debate coaches actually, since I was in NCFCA. But the way it works is you take a pencil, you put it all the way at the back of your mouth, right back here. So kind of like this. And you bite down on it with your teeth. And that forces your tongue to go under the pencil and pronounce the proper sections of the word, and it adds a pop to the end of the word's phrasing. So it improves your pronunciation of words, emphasizes the proper spots by training your tongue literally to pronounce the words correctly. So those are my tips for today. Be sure to check out my playlist on my channel to catch up on all the latest LD content. And as always, have a fantastic day. Patriot Contraptions, signing out.